Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jewelry. First, decide what kind of piece you want to create, like a necklace or earrings. Next, gather your basic tools such as pliers and wire cutters. You'll also need materials like different types of wire, clasps, and your chosen decorative elements. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Once you have your supplies, it's time to learn some basic techniques. Start by mastering wire wrapping. This is crucial for strong, lasting connections. Practice opening and closing jump rings using 2 pairs of pliers to avoid distorting them. Finally, learn how to securely attach clasps and other findings. These foundational skills are key to creating professional-looking homemade jewelry. Now for the fun part, designing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color palettes and combine various materials to find your unique style. Incorporate personal touches, like a special charm or an engraved element, to make your piece truly one of a kind. Think about using different bead sizes, perhaps from 2 mm up to 10 mm, to add depth and visual interest to your designs. To finish your beautiful creation, ensure all connections are secure and trim any excess wire for a clean, polished appearance. Proper care will keep your jewelry looking its best. Gently clean it with a soft cloth and mild soap, avoiding harsh chemicals. For more creative inspiration, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.